Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in introduction we'll start with the introduction. What is Instagram basically, when Instagram was launched, how Instagram works, so and so forth. Let's check them out. What is basically the introduction of Instagram? What is Instagram all about? Instagram was launched in 2010. It was way back in 2010. Instagram was launched, a social networking app to share photos and videos. Instagram is basically a mobile phone, a smartphone oriented mobile app where you can share your information in terms of the photos and the videos. That is what Instagram is all about. Businesses leveraging to promote products. Not just the individuals or media personalities or celebrities. Instagram is extensively being used by a lot of companies, organizations, big, medium or small companies to promote their products, to promote their services, to promote their solutions. Extensively is used by the lot of companies from all around the world. Instagram is widely used for promoting, interacting, engaging with the followers, driving traffic, generating leads and making business from Instagram. How actually Instagram works? It is a mobile app. You need to download the app. Instagram account for an individual can be created from a desktop or a laptop, but the preferred way, the best way is actually you need to download the app from the app stores. Create account. You can create an individual account, you can create a business account, and business account has a lot of features. The second most important point is, if you have created an individual account, you can as well convert that individual account into a business account. That is possible. Upload photos and videos. The information that is shared on Instagram, whether it's an individual account or a business account, is in terms of the photos and the videos. You create high quality videos of your businesses, or you create high quality images of your businesses, and you share that information to disseminate across the users, to make users follow you, to make users like you and they comment on it. It is all about photos and videos. Apply edits and filters. It offers a lot of features in terms of how you can apply the filters or image quality of the images or the videos, and using these edits and filters you can actually improve the quality of your post, and Instagram offers those features. Add caption. You can give a caption, you can name a photo or a video and you share that information, and this is precisely what Instagram is all about, and this is how it works. How it helps businesses is the most important point that everybody wants to know. Individuals, yes, as an individual, as a professional, they can create a brand identity for themselves. Businesses also can do that. Benefits from product-based companies more. A lot of product-based companies, though there are services organizations, there are solutions organizations who are Instagram and they are promoting their services and solutions, but mostly you see the product-based companies who are offering a lot of information with regard to the promotion of their products, and product-based companies are extensively using Instagram. It's all about photos and videos. You need to have high quality photos and videos to promote your business, to increase visibility, to generate awareness, to drive traffic and grow your business. Offers excellent features to edit and filter. You can use Instagram to edit and add filters to your photos. It is extremely important that the quality of the images actually grows, and Instagram offers a lot of features where you can edit and filter your posts. Create brand awareness and identity. Twitter is extensively used, one of the most popular social networking site, which is app based, which is mobile based, and it is extensively used to create brand awareness and brand identity all over the world. It has global reach just like any other social networking site. Twitter or LinkedIn or Facebook. Similarly, Instagram is extensively used and it has global reach. You can reach literally anybody from any part of the world follow them, they'll follow you, engage, interact, communicate with your posts, comment on them, then drive traffic. And this is how it helps businesses. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is Instagram marketing and introduction, how Instagram works and how it helps businesses. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.